Usha Genome offers some of the excellent sewing machines, and two of these machines are Wonder Stitch, that is Usha Genome Wonder Stitch, which is popular, and another is Excella. I received a few questions related to these machines and what are the comparisons and reviews about these machines. So first of all, I would like to say both the machines are identical. They have common features, functionalities, and some excellent built-in stitches and wonderful usability, like you can operate them very easily, very nicely and conveniently. But there are reasons why Wonder Stitch is doing much more better and it is much more popular than Excella. And there are so much in common that I think we discuss the similarities first, and then at the end of this video I will explain you why Wonder Stitch is doing much more better than Excella and what is the reason and which is the best sewing machine that you should go for. So let's check out. There are 10 common features that you must know in both these machines. Number one, that both the machines are manufactured in Thailand by Genome and they are marketed by Usha. Both the machines are good for alteration, mending, sewing, designing, embroidery, everything that you want to do with your clothes. You can use these machines for. These are not heavy duty machines, so they are not good for boutique purpose. They are not good for industrial purpose, but they are good for home use. Number 4, both the machines are good for interlock, picot, overlock, overcast stitch, button fixing, fall fixing. You can do all the basic embroidery and designing work. Both of these machines can do triple strength stitch. That is important at the time of embroidery. Snap-on presser foot comes with both the machines that can easily be changed at the time of sewing or designing or making embroidery. Excella as well as Usha Genome Wonder Stitch, both the machines are portable, lightweight. Wonder Stitch is 6 kg and Excella is 7 kg. Excella and Wonder Stitch are both portable and lightweight machines, and without any jerks, you can keep on any surface and you can plug in and work. Whether you buy Excella or Wonder Stitch, you get 2 years warranty on your sewing machines by the company and you get service parts easily. And last thing, you get 60 watt high power inbuilt electric motor and 860 SPM, that is stitch per minute. These are the basic things, similarities, but here we discuss the differences. Number 1, Excella is priced around 13,000. That is ranking more than Wonder Stitch, but still it is less popular than your Wonder Stitch. Reason being, the popularity chart is less. Usha Genome Wonder Stitch cost about, earlier it used to cost 15,000, now it is costing 13,000, and it is one of the popular sewing machines after Dream Stitch. One of the main reasons why Usha Genome Wonder Stitch is more popular than any other machine, because it offers a free sewing kit. You get a hard cover to protect your Wonder Stitch machine, but you get a soft cover with the Excella. So these are some of the basic similarities and differences in both the machines. If you want to know more about these machines, I will give a link in the below description, but you can also visit stitchingmall.com and there you can check a detailed comparison review of both these machines and what are the main features, functions, the stitch options, what everything that you get and what are the similarities. There is even I've given a table where you can check the similarities in both the machines and why Wonder Stitch is gaining much more popularity than your other Excella machine.
I hope you find this information useful. For more updates, more tutorials, more features, DIYs and comparison reviews, stay subscribed, like and share Stitching Mall channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Take care. Goodbye. See you in the next video.